Here we have the Vax Air Cordless Solo Vacuum Cleaner. Model number U86ALBA. You can currently get this for $89.99 at the range here in the UK, reduced from 200 and something pounds. Apparently it's a full-sized lightweight cordless vacuum cleaner with a lithium life battery, which they reckon will run for 25 minutes. Not sure how long the charge takes just yet, but it also comes with a 6-year guarantee by the looks of it. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and show you what's in the box. This is it out of the box so far. Very well packaged and tightly packaged. It looks like there's some interesting bits and bobs. So I should just undo the rest of the packaging and see what else, and have a quick look at the Hoover itself. Okay, this is the Hoover put together. It is a very light Hoover, but I've not actually put the battery on just yet. Here is the dusting tool for upholstery and stuff. This is your 2-in-1 crevice tool. I absolutely hate these. I'd rather have two separate things. You only get one battery with this, which is awkward, but there's your big massive battery. Big massive battery, yet only lasts 25 minutes. That I think is bad, but I'm not sure how much it costs for two of these. Now, one other thing is, upon putting it together, I did not know where the hose was. Now there shows a very small hose around the back, which I'll show you in a moment. A very small hose which you're supposed to unclip to clip to the handle to get to the high to reach areas. I think they should really have provided a little bit of an extra hose just to make life easier. I know it's lightweight, but seriously. I should also just give you a quick show of the charger. This is the charger base. Quite chunky, but thankfully you can wall mount it, which is exactly what we shall be doing to get it out of the way. Now, as you can see, the Hoover there, that tiny bit of hose at the bottom is all you get. That very, very small piece of hose. I'll try and zoom in a bit better for you. Literally, the lighting is very poor at the moment. There is a very tiny piece of hose there, which is ridiculous. I don't understand where all of these companies keep getting off being so cheap with their materials. The hoses are made of plastic, so it would not have cost a fortune to add a lot more hose. You could have put clips and had it looped over nice and tidily out of the way to make it more functional. That is absolutely ridiculous and stingy. I just hope the Hoover makes up for the stinginess, quite frankly. I will give it a good charge, give it a test, and I'll write some more information in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Join me next time, and hopefully I'll bring something more interesting and valid for you. Who knows? Please click subscribe, which should be in the top right hand corner or down below. Thanks again. See you soon.